LS2 Valiant modular helmet, which I have not worn for a very, very long time. I thought I'd break it out and give it a go. Now the difference with this modular helmet than other modular helmets is that the chin bar goes all the way to the back of your head. When you move the chin bar all the way to the back of the head, it becomes an open face 3/4 helmet, and it is legally allowed to be ridden that way. See, chin bar comes down, now I have a full face helmet. And then you don't want a full face helmet, we can just press a button at the front of the chin bar and move the chin bar all the way to the back of the helmet. And now I have an open face helmet. That's what I do like about this LS2 helmet. I have a similar helmet that's made by another company, but I prefer this one.